Okay, first of all, sorry about the background noise, but we're in a class at the moment. I just want to run through what's actually in your kit. As you can see, this is a kit in solid form. This is the front, picture, what's in it, turn it over, and you've got all your various bags. Each one has some natural colour British fleece, some hand-dyed, which is blue sky, and some hand-dyed British fleece assorted colours. Now, some of these colours will not be in the picture. The reason for this, if I just put in what you need just for this particular picture, it would be a very, very small kit because you use so little fleece. So I've got lots of extra colours in so you can go on and experiment and do other items. Each kit will also have an excess bag, the one like this, which has things which are pertinent to that. For instance, Head on the Hills, lots of perfumes to pop in. There's also a felting needle, just here. We've got some backing as well. Would you have backing? Let me just get a piece survey because it seems to have gone up a wall. A piece of backing. This is so simple polyester wadding. It's used mainly for quilting. It's been needle punched many times, so it's much easier for you to felt through. There's also a piece of foam. If you already have foam, you don't want it, just let me know and we can put some extra fleece in your kit instead. Now, instructions, really important this. If you want, you can go online to my website, www.solwaywoolscapes.co.uk, and you will see a 25-minute video on to actually felt a picture from start to finish. So you're at your front here, your guideline. You've got an introduction to needle felting, several pages in here. You've got the introduction. You've also got how to use your felting needle, how to felt sheep, whether or not they're a kit or not doesn't really matter in the picture. It just lets you know how to add trees and how to do hills and outline. You've also got to embellish if you want to add something else and ideas for other projects with all your extra fleece you have left over. Earrings, brooches, etc. And then you've got your instructions for your Head on the Hills. Photographs as well for you to follow, step by step. And that's your kit, all ready to go. And we'll just put that together. Front. There you go. That goes in the bag. One Head on the Hills kit. Hope you enjoy doing it.